Hi, this is AJ from LocknCharge. In this short video, we're going to show you how to unbox a FUYL 15 fuel tower. You'll notice right away that we've already removed the white straps off of this fuel tower. You're just going to cut those and remove them from the pallet and around the box. And now at this point, Jason's going to start to lift up the overbox on the fuel tower. The top just slides over the top of the tower itself. So you just tip that forward, bring the box down and around, put it somewhere, and from there we'll just collect the foam from around the tower. At the far end, the top of the tower section, there's two accessory boxes. We'll take those and place those in a place that you can find them when you're ready to set up. One contains the power cord and the Ethernet cable. The other one contains the wall bracket and the lag bolts for that. Okay, at this point, Jason is going to go down and he's just going to actually cut the bottom end of the cardboard open on each corner. And then I'm going to go out and help him. And we're going to actually take this, we're going to slide it out a little bit. It slides pretty easily on the styrofoam until it wants to try to tip forward a little bit. And then from there, we're just going to simply stand this up like that. You might notice in some cases that the plastic might have been cut, and that's only because at the factory or at the warehouse, we actually cut this sometimes in order to update the software prior to shipping to the customer. And that's it. You're pretty much ready to get started.